Hello everyone, welcome you all and I hope you are all doing well. So in this video we are going to see about multiple and submultiple angles in trigonometry. Okay, so in this video we are focusing on what is multiple angle and we are going to see what are the formulas for sin 2a, cos 2a, tan 2a and cot 2a. Okay, so now let us start what is multiple angles. Okay, so if A is an angle, means A here what? A is an angle, then its integral multiples like 2a, 3a, 4a, so on is called multiple angles of A. So what does it mean? Suppose there is an angle A. We are considering angle A. Now what we are doing? We are multiplying by its integral multiple like 2a, 3a, 4a, 5a, 6a, so on. It is called what? It is called the multiple angle. Okay, so we are multiplying by its integral multiples. It's called what? It is called the multiple angles of A. Similarly, if we are multiplying A, if A is an angle and we are multiplying A by its fraction like A by 2, A by 3, A by 4, so on, is called what? Is called the submultiple angles. Okay, so if you are multiplying by its integral multiple, it's called what? It's called the multiple angle of A, and if you are multiplying by its fraction, it is called what? Submultiples angle of A. So in this video we are going to see about multiples we have seen, and we are going to see formulas of sin 2a, cos, tan and cot 2a. Okay, so now let us see what is sin 2a formula. I think now you've got what is multiple and submultiple angle. So suppose if we are considering an angle A and if you are multiplying by its integral multiple, it's called what? Multiple angles of A. And if you are multiplying by its fraction like A by 2, A by 3, A by 4, so on, it's called submultiple. Now first we consider what are the formulas for sin 2a. Let us consider what are the formulas for sin 2a. Okay, now from compound angles we know that what is the formula of sine of A plus B. So what is the formula of sine A plus B? We know sine A cos B plus cos A sin B. So we have discussed this formula in compound angle, that sine A plus B is equals to sine A cos B plus cos A sin B. Now what you do here, put in the place of B, put A. Means wherever B is there, in the place of B, what we have to put? We have to put A. So what it will become? See, sine this A plus, in the place of B we have to write A. Similarly here also sine A cos, in the place of B we have to write A plus cos A sin, in the place of B again we have to write A. So now A plus A here is nothing but sine 2a, which is equals to, look here, sine A cos A plus sine A cos A. So how many times if you add this 2, we get what? 2 sine A cos A. So this is the one formula of sine 2a. What is sine 2a? Sine 2a is nothing but 2 sine A cos A. Okay, now what I will do here, look at that now. So what we have got as sine 2a is equal to 2 sine A cos A. So we have found this. Now what I will do for this, I will multiply by cos square A, at the same time I will divide by cos square A. Okay, so what I have done for this one, I have multiplied and divided by cos square A. So what will happen? See, this term gets cancelled. So what it may be, sine 2a is equal to this 2 as it is. Now here sine A by cos A. What is sine A by cos A? It is tan A. It is tan A. Sine by cos is what? It is tan A. And what is here? Cosecant square A. So cosecant square A, can I write like this? 1 by secant square A. We know cosecant and cos are reciprocal to each other. Secant and cosecant are reciprocal to each other. That's why I'm writing in the place of cos A, I'm writing 1 by secant square A. So from there is an identity that, see, secant square A minus tan square A is equals to 1. Okay, we know this identity. If I take tan square that side, it will become what? Secant square A is equals to 1 plus tan square a. Okay, so now in the denominator, in the place of secant square a, I will write 1 plus tan square a. So sin 2a is equal to, can I write like this, 2 tan a divided by, in the place of secant square a, I am writing 1 plus tan square a. So this is one of the formula of sin 2a. Okay, so this is one of the formula. Basically, these are the two most important formula of sin 2a. What is sin 2a? Sin 2a is nothing but 2 sin a cos a and 2 tan a by 1 plus tan square a. So this is about the sin 2a. Now let us discuss about the cos 2a. Now let us discuss about cos 2a. Okay, so now already we have what? Cos a plus b formula from compound angle. What is the cos a plus b formula? Cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. Already we know this formula from compound angle, that is cos a plus b is equals to cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. Again same, put in the place of b, I am going to put what? A. So wherever b is there, in the place of b we have to put a. So what you get, see, cos a plus a is equals to cos a, this also cos a, minus, wherever b is there I am putting a, wherever b is there I am putting a. Here also sin a sin, in the place of b I am writing a. So this a is cos 2a equal to cos a into cos a will be cos square a minus sin into sin will be sin square a. So this is the formula for cos 2a. What is cos 2a? Cos 2a is nothing but cos square a minus sin square a. So this is the one of the formula of cos 2a. Okay. Now from here you see we know one identity, that see sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to what? 1. Okay, so if I take cos square that side, what will become? See, sin square theta is equals to 1 minus cos square theta, isn't it or not? So here similarly in the place of sin square a, can I write 1 minus cos square a? So what it will become? See, cos 2a equal to this cos square a as it is minus, so in the place of sin square a I am writing what? 1 minus cos square a. So here the place of theta I am putting a. So multiply with minus, what you get? Cos 2a is equals to cos square a minus 1, minus into minus will be plus cos square a. Okay, so what it will become? See, cos 2a equal to cos square is how much? 2 cos square a minus 1. So this is one of the formula of cos 2a. Okay, cos 2 is nothing but 2 cos square a minus 1. Okay, now similarly from here can I write as, if I send sin square that side, what will become? See, cos square theta as it is 1 minus, I am sending this plus, it will become minus sin square theta. Okay, so similarly in the place of cos square a, can I write 1 minus sin square a? So what it will become? See, so in the place of what? Here this cos 2a as it is, which is equal to, in the place of cos square a I am writing what? 1 minus sin square a. Understood? Just a we are replacing with theta, and the cos square means I am writing 1 minus sin square a. Now this minus as it is, and this is minus sin square a. Understood? In the place of cos square a, I have written 1 minus sin square a, and the sin square is as it is. So what it be? Cos 2a equal to 1 minus sin square a will be minus 2 sin square a. So this is another formula of cos 2a. Okay, so cos 2a is equals to 1 minus 2 sin square a. So this is one more formula is there for cos 2a, that also I will show you. These are the three formula of cos 2a. What is the cos square a minus sin square a? And cos 2 is equals to 2 cos square a minus 1, and cos 2 is equals to 1 minus 2 sin square a. Okay, so now let us see one more formula about cos 2a. Let us see again this cos 2a. Now only we have seen that cos square a minus sin square a. Okay, now what I will do here, I will take cos square a common, or what you do, multiply and divide by cos square a. So if I take one and the same, so I am taking cos square a common, so what it will become, see, 1 minus cos square is common, 1 minus. Here what it will become? It will become sin square a by cos square a. Okay, why? Because I am taking cos square a common. So what it become? See, cos 2a equal to cos square a 1 minus tan square a. Okay. Now yes, cos square a can I write as cos 2a is equals to, we know cos is reciprocal of secant theta, so I can write like this, 1 by secant square a, and this 1 minus tan square a as it is. Okay, again from same identity, that is tan square, sorry, secant square theta minus tan square theta is equals to 1. So similarly I can write as secant square theta equal to 1 plus tan square theta. So in the denominator, in the place of secant square, can I write like this? So what will become? Cos 2a equal to, this numerator is as it is, and denominator in the place of secant square I am writing 1 plus tan square a. So this is also one of the formula of cos 2a. Okay, now we have completed cos 2a also. Now let us see what is tan 2a. Now let us see the tan 2a. So from compound angle, we know we need to find tan 2a. Tan a plus b. What is the formula of tan a plus b? It is tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a tan b. Similarly, we have to put what? In the place of b, we need to put a. So it will become what? Tan a plus a equal to tan a plus tan a by 1 minus tan a. So in the place of b, we need to put what? A. So what will become? A plus a is tan 2a equal to tan a plus tan a, 2 tan a by 1 minus tan a into tan a, tan square a. So this is the formula of tan 2a. What is the formula of tan 2a? 2 tan a by 1 minus tan square a. Now let us see this tan 2a also completed. Now let us see what is cot 2a. Okay, now let us see what is cot 2a. So from compound angle, we know cot of a plus b equal to cot a cot b minus 1 by cot a plus cot b. Similarly, put b equal to a. So what you get? Cot of a plus a equal to cot a minus 1 by cot a plus cot a. So what you get? Cot a plus a will be cot 2a equal to cot a into cot a, cot square a minus 1 by cot a plus cot a to cot a. So this is the about cot 2a. So I hope you understand all the most important formulas in multiple and submultiple, that is sin 2a, cos 2a, tan 2a and cot 2a. Thank you.